Hello there. Today we are going to start another chapter in Unit 4, that is Object Diagram and State Diagram. We call this one as 4.4. Correct? We have already seen three diagrams. Now we in this is a part of building blocks where we are going to see different things. The object diagram. What do you mean by object diagram? It describes static structure again and at particular time. It defines static structure at particular time. That is more important to us. A special class of class diagram, and it gives an object is an instant of it. What is the operation at that point? I am going to capture it. Suppose if I am doing a credit card transaction, the transaction which is carried out at that point is kept with you. That is instant, and you can able to refer it later on. That is more important to us. Then the other things which you can able to do is your dial numbers. We will able to see all those things. Object at a different object instant in object diagram capture the state of different class in their relationship or association given. In brief, making a prototype and making a reverse engineering. For an example, let's take an example. There is a customer which given order 12, 32 and 44. The order number 12, special order number 20. The order is changed, there is no issue, but the same thing. Here also 32, it's maybe 32, it's different. And this is the same thing. So at particular time, this instant is captured. This is called object diagram. That time it is being captured is more important to us. Correct? State diagram particular time means it's capturing that instance for that period. What is that is object diagram. State diagram describe the state component of the system that specifies of that one. Object system change status is response to event. What is that event? How it is captured and everything. That is this is dynamicity of the project or of that state. State diagram describe the flow of control of state from one another. More importantly, it is a reactive system. Correct? That changes. For example, let's take example your dial numbers. You dial a number X, Y, X, 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 X at 8 o'clock, and this number after when you dial it's become an active, and you can able to refer it. If your history is for 2 days, for 2 or 3 days, you can able to refer this part, means it becomes a reactive. Like your card transaction, that credit card transaction you make it, or your phone pay transaction on particular day, the day on which time you are doing, that becomes active, that is dynamic. Once it is done, it is safe. You capture that one. That is nothing but your state diagram. Correct? And it has got a diamond, and then there is event which describe from one part to another, from one state to other, how you have been going to there. Then there is exit point which is represented by this one. This is a starting point, and rectangle undercover indicate current state of this state. These are few points of a diagram which you have to remember it. And this is terminal. One state to other states, an arrow, and this is condition which is given to us. Then next move, like we start from here. Check date, from where we are going to check. Start, check calendar. Available, yes. Not available, terminate. Available, then comes up. Calendar is available, add appointment. For an example, doctor appointment, which we take it. You call the person and you book an appointment. This is the situation at that point. Once it is done, you got a reference number. That reference number you can able to take it. This becomes active, that part, once before the reference number comes. Once the reference number comes, this becomes inactive. You can use only the reference number. The other diagram which is given as toaster diagram, which is available here. There is a toaster, you can able to on it. Correct? Work working, yes or no. We can add condition, yes or no. Working, yes, no, stop. Correct? We can able to do this part also. And it's working, shut down. If it is upper limit, it's ideal. Lower limit, it is working or not. There is one more state ATM machine. Start card swipe. Waiting for the pin verified authentication. Or you write invalid pin, stop. You can also give condition here. Oh, sorry. This should be, wait a minute. I'll take a eraser and I'll just done this one. Okay. And what should be here? Invalid. Yes, it will come. No, invalid pin and stop. That's the condition we can able to give it. And that's all. I told you the diagram of your phone. Dial, yes, dial tone, timeout, stop. Dialing, number of all dialed, timeout, stop. Last digit, connected, ringing, all those things. This is part of your state diagram, which capture dynamics part of it. I hope I made my point clear. Thank you very much. I'll stop it here, this slide.